Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can hide your friends list on Facebook on your phone in 2020, so let's do this. Okay, so in this Facebook tutorial we're gonna learn how you can hide your friends list on Facebook on your mobile phone in 2020. So to do that, just open up your Facebook application and now go to the top right corner, click on these three lines. Alright, go down until you see this one, settings. Click on that and go down to privacy and click on privacy settings. And now go down to this one, who can see your friends list. Click on that. So who can see your friends list? Remember, your friends control who can see their friendships on their own timelines. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they be able to see it in a newsfeed, search and other places on Facebook. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friends list on your timeline. Other people will see only mutual friends. Alright, so now click on see more. So if you want to hide your friends list on Facebook, just click on only me, like so. Okay everyone, so this is how you can hide friends list on Facebook on your mobile phone in 2020. I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope you successfully hide your friends list on Facebook. If you like, you can check out my latest video right here. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already in the right bottom corner. And also leave a comment below if you have any questions. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.